Good day, traders. This is Olin Forex. So let's check through the pair. So last time, we entered on the NZD USD, right? So we enter here. Our stop loss is here, and then our take profit would be on this level or this level. So we've already taken our profit. Our final TP would be here, but I decided to change and take my profit on this level, this one. So the opening and closing level, or this one if you want, almost there, or this area. Okay, so uh, this is done and dusted. Trade is complete. And our last pair is the Euro GBP, right? So we entered on yeah, this one. We enter here. This is our entry. So let's zoom a bit. This is our entry. Now this is a breakout trade, right? One touch, two touch break, mid long bullish bar. We enter here. Our stop loss is here. Our take profit is here. So it's 32, like 1 is to 1.5 ratio. Okay. And we take our profit on Friday before the market closes. So new trade for today is the this one. Uh, Ethereum USD. So last time we entered on, I think this is like Saturday, yeah, because I entered on this area. This is like a aggressive approach. Why? Because this is one touch, two touch, three touch. The market needs to go up first before going down. So this is kind of like an aggressive approach. So I entered on this area, and our stop loss is on this level. So the market goes down. I already shift my stop loss to break even, and then I see another trade here uh, on this level. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the entry on this area, somewhere here. I entry here. Our stop loss is still on this at this level, and then the market goes down. So eventually, I will shift to break even, maybe on maybe 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Okay, so new trade. If you see these guys, no, this is one touch. This is two touch, more or less, right? Like a zone, and then third, third touch, fourth touch. So what does this mean? If you see like the market is testing and testing a level, it means that it's going to break sooner or later. And our um, signal to enter, if this, hopefully, this closes like a bearish bar, big long bearish bar. If this close like a big long bearish bar, then we will enter again on the closing of this level. Our stop loss would be uh, the level here, 1777.55. Okay, so if the market closes below, we will ship our SL. We will secure some profits on this level, and then we enter another new trade for this bearish bar to trade take the trade like maybe on this level. This is the first rejection level, the deviation one. Deviation. This is Bollinger Band. Okay, so we will take our TP here, or if you want, we can trail this maybe, yeah, on this level. Our final take profit this yellow, this 150 moving averages, monthly 150 moving average. Yeah, this level. Well, weekly also it's like we will skip the dev one, but our target would be the 150 moving averages. That would be my final take profit for this trade. If on the H4 this closes like a bearish long, big long bearish bar, not that very big, significant, bigger than the surrounding prices. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see you uh tomorrow maybe.